Supermarkets are oversupplied with varieties of produce to satisfy our hunger. It seems that seasonal fruit and vegetables are a thing of the past. Now consumers can expect to eat all varieties all year round. As you wander around the shelves, it's worth thinking, how much of these fruit and vegetables are actually eaten? How much is thrown away? How much do distributors like Aldi, Coles and Woolworths filter out before it even reaches the shelves? Where does the oversupply waste go? And what happens to that produce they reject? This video will ask, is there a better way of ensuring that oversupply is reduced? In fact, $8 billion of produce is discarded annually. Isn't this a shock that we waste $8 billion of eatable produce year after year? What are we going to do about it? When excess food waste is thrown away, the majority of it goes into landfill, where it decomposes. When oxidation takes place with limited oxygen, methane and CO2 are formed. Both of these are greenhouse gases, and in fact, methane is far more dangerous for the environment than carbon dioxide. In recognition of the problem, in 2017, the Australian government introduced a national food waste strategy with the aim of reducing the quantity of food entering landfill by half. However, this strategy only supports food reduction by consumers and distributors and ignores food that never leaves the farm gate, which is at the production level. In fact, statistics show that state by state, more than $200 of food is being wasted per person per year. Should we really waste $200 on every single person when so many live below the poverty line? Many politicians pretend that primary production operates in a free market where producers can produce what they want, and if it fails, they go out of business. In fact, Australia operates a complex system of subsidies which encourage boom-bust cycles, where producers receive incentives to grow produce, for which there is no market, that ultimately goes to waste and affect the environment. To give one example, Australia has created an olive industry that is now producing more olives than we consume. Industrial olive production produces a number of toxic byproducts, including phenolic compounds, which do not break down in the environment. In order to support the industry, the government pays to collect and reprocess the toxic waste. In other words, the Australian taxpayer is footing the bill for overproduction. There is a better way. In order to start production, farmers require loans. It is not in the bank's interest to finance a short-term financial gain. Instead, loans should take environmental sustainability into account and financial returns over the full term of the loan.